it is, or you may say maybe from which state they belong to, like he is a Kashmiri, he is a Punjabi, right? So all of these. Material, wood, glass, all of this. I like the wooden box. She brought a gold ring. Yes, here the ring is gold, the box is wooden. You're describing, how are you describing them? The ring as gold and the box is wooden box. So that is how you use describing words. Again, so let's again revise it. An adjective is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. It can tell us many things such as size, like small, big, enormous, large, tiny. I saw a tiny star in the sky. How was the star? It was tiny, right? Color, blue, red, yellow, green, whatever color. The yellow flower is beautiful. So how is the flower? Yellow, right? And it is beautiful. So both of these are adjectives, and an adjective can come before or after a noun, like you've seen here. The yellow flower is beautiful. Yellow is also an adjective, it is describing the flower, and beautiful is also an adjective, it's also describing the flower. So an adjective can come before or after a noun. Okay. The shape, like circular, oval, triangular. Yes, the moon is circular in shape, right? The table is square. Number. There are 100 pages in my book. How many pages are there in your book? 100 pages, right? You're describing the book in the form of pages, right? You're telling us how many pages the book has. I bought a couple of dresses yesterday. How many dresses you bought yesterday? Couple is 2, right? I bought a couple of dresses yesterday. Sound. Soft, roaring, bubbling, loud, irritating. All of these are describing. Feeling. Hard, lumpy, smooth, rough, slimy. How does it feel? The table is hard. The paste is smooth. Okay. The slime ball is slimy, isn't it? Have you played with slime balls? Taste. Spicy, sour, sweet, bland, bitter. Yummy. So all of these are adjectives. Same way for smell. Pleasant. Nasty, acidic. All of these. Weather. Rainy, windy, sunny. All of these are adjectives. How do you describe weather? It's rainy today. The summers were quite sunny. How were the summers? They were quite sunny. It suddenly turned cloudy today. So this is how you describe the weather, right? So these are all the adjectives that we can use. Okay.